Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. How are you doing? Good evening, good evening, good evening.
Good evening.
Let's see who we have here. We have Kira.
Yes, we have Sarah.
All right, so we have Kira. Kira, welcome.
Welcome, Sarah.
Welcome. So we also have Tariq. Welcome, Tariq.
Welcome, Terry.
We also
Well,
have
Philip
Philip Green.
Green. Welcome,
Welcome.
Philip Green.
Mega love shout out to you. Thank you for coming. And for all the persons who don't comment in the chat, thank you so very much for joining us in our math
Matt
session.
session.
Okay, so we are going to begin. We are going to begin. We are going to start. All right, if you are hearing me, let me know. We are going to start. We are going to start. What we're going to be looking at today is we're going to be looking at how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. That is what we're going to be looking at. First, when you are looking at a fraction, you need to be reminded that a fraction is made up of a numerator and a denominator. You may be asking, what is a numerator? The numerator is the number that is to the top. That is the numerator. The numerator, it comes to the top, right? And the denominator, it comes to the bottom. All right. What is a mixed number? A mixed number has a whole number and a fraction. So we say that a mixed number is made up of a whole number and an improper fraction. All right, so here is the improper fraction and here is the whole number. So when we are converting from a mixed number to an improper fraction, we have some steps that we must follow. there are some steps that we must follow. First, we have just identified the parts of this mixed fraction, and I did say to you that a mixed fraction, or we call it a mixed number, is made up of a whole number and an improper fraction. The improper fraction right here is 1/4. So why is it an improper fraction? An improper an improper fraction, when you look at the improper fraction, the top is going to be bigger than the bottom. So let's look at it now. Step number one, what we're going to do is that we are going to ensure that we multiply. I think my internet is giving problem. It's cutting out. What you are going to do is that you're going to multiply your whole number by your denominator. So let's do it together. So what is the whole number? The whole 1 multiplied by 4. So now you're going to look for your answer. So 1 multiplied by 4, you are going to get 4. 1 multiplied by 4, you are going to get 4. Then the next step is that you are going to add that 4 that you get to your numerator. So 4 plus 1, you are going to get 5. So now you are going to write the improper fraction that you get. So how are we going to write the improper fraction? This 5 that you get now, it is now going to be your numerator. So it is now going to be your numerator. So you're going to have 5/4. So we write back this 4, and this is our answer. Our answer is now going to be 1/4 is equal to 5/4. So that's the first one. That is the first one. So let me repeat for you. Let me repeat. We are converting from a mixed number to an improper fraction. An improper fraction as the numerator bigger than the denominator. The denominator is to the bottom and the numerator is to the top. What is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is made up of a whole number and a proper fraction. So a mixed number is made up of a whole number and a proper fraction. So 1/4 right here is a proper fraction. Why is it a proper fraction? Because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. All right, let's take a next example. For the persons who are coming in, welcome. Welcome to all the persons who are coming in. We're happy to have you here. All right, so let's take a next one. So now we have 3 and 1/5. What is the whole number in this case? The whole number is 3. Numeral 3 is the whole number. So numeral 3 is your whole number. What is the proper fraction in this case? The proper fraction in this case is 1/5. So 1/5 is the proper fraction. Remember I said earlier, when you are converting from a mixed number, or we call it a mixed fraction, to an improper fraction, there are steps that you must follow. So the first thing you are going to do is that you are going to multiply your whole number, which is 3, by your denominator. So let's do it together. 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So now that 15 that you get, you are going to add it to your numerator. So 15 plus 1 is going to be 16. So the 16 that you get now, that is going to be your numerator in the improper fraction. So the improper fraction is going to be 16, and we are going to keep our denominator, which is 5. So it's going to be 16 over 5. So now 3 and 1 over 5 is equal to 16 over 5. So 3 and 1 over 5 is equal to 16 over 5. All right, let's look at our next example. The next example we have is 4 and 2 over 3. 4 and 2 over 3. What is the whole number in this case? What is the whole number in this case? So first, we are going to look to see what is the whole number. The whole number in this case is 4. The whole number in this case is 4. And the proper fraction is 2 over 3. It is a proper fraction because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So now you are going to multiply your whole number by your denominator. So 4 multiplied by 3. And 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 12 plus 2 now. So 12 plus 2, you get 14. So 14 now is going to be your numerator for your improper fraction. So your answer is going to be 14 over 3. So when you have the mixed fraction 4 and 2 over 3, you are going to get the improper fraction 14 over 3. That is what you are going to get. All right, we're going to take another one. Let's take this one off. We're going to take another one. So before we move on, we have some persons in the chat. So I must say thank you for all the persons who are here. So we have Riri World. Thank you for coming, Riri World. Thank you for coming, Kara Henry, Minister of Music. Thank you for coming, Minister of Music. Say, hi, Dijonae, love you. Riri say, Erin ads. Thank you so very much, Riri World. And Kara say, hey guys, thank you so very much. We also have Simple Thing Outreach, and she said, hi, Dijonae. And Riri said, congratulations on your monetization, Dijonae. Also, Minister say, hi, Riri. And Riri say, hi, Simple Thing. Minister said, hi, Kara. And Riri World said, I'm Minister of Music. And Simple Thing said, congratulations, Dijonae. And The Unique say, hello, oh, thumbs up. Thank you so very much for all the thumbs up. And Broken Sylvia said, blessing and love, Dijonae. Thank you so very much. And V also said, congratulations on your monetization. Unbroken Sylvia said, love and blessing, Brother Terence. And Simple Thing said, oh no, I needed all this in my school days. Aww. And we have Matilda. Welcome, Matilda. And she said, hello, Oz. Thank you so very much for coming. We are happy to have you here. We're happy to have you here. And Minister is saying blessings to Sister Sylvia, and we're getting some love right there. And this is great, said Minister. And Unbroken Sylvia said, good to see you, Brother Terence. We're having a lot of persons, and we're having persons answering. Ah, so let's do it together. Yes. And we have K Diamond Body. Welcome. We have Kashina Nelson, and we are happy to have you. We have Sensation, Mystic Sensation right here. Thank you for coming. We're happy to have all of you. I hope I am not missing anybody right now. I am going to put a next one on the board. Remember, what we're doing here is that we are changing from a mixed number to an improper fraction. That is what we're doing today. So the next one we have is 5. Let me see who is going to get this one. 5 and 3 over 4. 5 and 3 over 4, that's the one we're doing now. So we are changing 5 and 3 over 4 to an improper fraction. Remember, we said the first thing we have to do is to identify our whole number in the fraction. What is the whole number? The whole number in this case is numeral 5, and then 3 over 4 is what we call our proper fraction, because we did say that a mixed number is made up of a whole number and a proper fraction. So first, for the persons who are just coming in first, the first thing we have to do is to multiply our whole number by our denominator. The denominator is the number to the bottom. So 5 multiplied by 4. And 5 multiplied by 4 gives you how much? Let me see, 20. 5 multiplied by 4 gives us 20. All right. So 5 multiplied by 4 gives you 20. And then the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to add 20 to your numerator, which is 3. So 20 plus 3 is going to give you 23. So now your answer would be 5 and 3 over 4 is equal to 23 over 4. So 23 over 4 is now an improper fraction. 23 over 4 is now an improper fraction. And you see, I see Kira and Riri doing great. Yeah, I think they are the ones who are doing great in class. I'm happy to have you. I'm happy to have all of you. Mega love shout out to all the lovely persons that are inside the chat. We're happy to have you. So let's take a next one. Let's see. Let's take another question. All right. The next one that we are going to be looking at is 6 and a half. 6 and a half, or 6 and 1 over 2. The first thing, let me see who is going to get that one. Quickly type your answer in the chat. Quickly type your answer in the chat. Quickly type your answer in the chat. Let me see who is going to get that one. I'm looking to see who is going to get that one. All right. I see Riri said 13 over 2. Kara said 13 over 2. All right, let me see if your answer is correct. The first thing we do is to multiply 6 by 2, and 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. And then the next thing you are going to do is add 12 to your numerator, which is 1, and that's 13. So now we are going to put this 13 over our denominator that we have. So now we're going to have 6 and 1 over 2 is equal to 13 over 2. And you guys are correct. Oh my God, you are brilliant. You are doing fantastic so far. I'm happy. I'm happy that you are here. All right. So for the persons who are just coming in, mega love shout out to you, Kashina, Kara, Mystic, Sensation. Oh, you guys are doing fantastic. You guys are doing fantastic. All right. Let me see who is going to get this one now. Let me see who is going to get this one. So we have 7 and 1 over 3. So 7 and a third, we are changing to an improper fraction. Let's see who is going to get it. All right, let's see who is going to get it. Let's see who is going to get it. All right, so I see where we said 22 over 3. Let's see. So Riri said 22 over 3. And Kira said, I got it first. Oh, Kira, I'm seeing Riri's answer first. On my end, Kira said, I get it first. All right, let's see. 7 multiplied by 3. And if you don't know your timetable, you're going to have a problem in doing this because you have to know your timetable to get this done. So 3 multiplied by 7 and 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Is 21. And 21 multiply. All right, 21 plus 1 is going to be 22. And now we are going to put 22 over our same denominator, which is 3. So we say 7 and 1 over 3. 7 and 1 over 3 is equal to 22 over 3. And you are doing a fantastic job. For all the persons who said, I see Kara, I see Riri, and I see Mystic Sensation. Oh, you are doing fantastic. I'm happy to have you all. I'm happy to have you all. You are doing fantastic. All right, let me see who. Let me see who is gonna get this one now. Let me see who is gonna get this one. All right, so this is the next one. You are doing fantastic so far, and I'm happy to have you all. I am happy to have you all. All right, so the next one is 7 and 5 over 6. So let me see what's the answer for that one. What's the answer for that one? Seven. And Simple Thing said, wish you were my math teacher back then. Oh, and she said, laugh out loud. So if you don't know your timetable, you are going to have problem. And the best one you need to know for this one is either your 7 times or your 6 times. So 7 multiplied by 6 and 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. And now you're going to add 42 plus 5. And for the persons who don't know how to do it like that, I recommend that you set it out. Yes, I am going to show you how you can get that done. Because you can call yourself 42 and put up 5 fingers. Say 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. For the persons who don't know how to do it like that, you can do your 100 tens and ones. So look at me now. So I'm going to put 42 and I'm going to put my 5. I think that one is dull. So let me work it somewhere else so you can see it. So let me put it right here so you can see it. 42 plus 5. And you set it out. You see where I put my 5? If you put your 5 right here, you are going to get it wrong because 5 is a single digit number. 5 is a single digit numeral. So what happens is that when it is a single digit, it must fall in the ones place. And this is the ones place. So you put 5 right there. So now you're going to have 5 plus 2 is going to give you 7. And 4 plus nothing, you're going to get the same 4. So we still end up with 47. So we still end up with 47. So now your answer is going to be 47 over 6. Your answer is going to be 47 over 6. That is going to be your answer, 47 over 6. And I see Kira's answer. I see Riri's answer. Oh, you're doing fantastic. And Unbroken Sylvia said, exactly, simple thing. I homeschool my children. I have 5. Oh, so awesome. All right, so we are going to take the next one. We are going to take the next one. All right, let's take the next one. For the persons who are just coming in, for the ones on the outside, we're happy to have you. We're happy to have you. If you think we are doing something which is good, you can give us a thumbs up. If you think we are doing something that is good, free to give us a thumbs up and free to share us out. Invite a friend to come on in to learn something too or to build on what they have already learned. All right. So the next one is 7 and 2 over 5. 7 and 2 over 5. That's the next one. And let's see who is going to get this one right. Let's see who is going to come first. All right, let me see who is going to come first. Who is going to come first? Which answer is going to come in first? I see Riri and I see Kara. But Kara, you see what happened? I think Riri is good at technology. You see? She's moving so fast. Let me see. So we are going to multiply our whole number by our denominator first. So 7 multiplied by 5. And in this case, we need to know our 7 times or our 5 times. Because 7 times 5 is going to be 35. And 5 multiplied by 7 is still going to be 35. So either way you take it, you will still get 35. So you're going to get 35. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. And that is so awesome. That's going to be 35. All right. So let's see what's going on now. So let's see what is going on. So the next thing we need to do is that we need to multiply, or we need to add, or we need to divide. What do we need to do next? We need to add. So we're going to add 35 plus 2. So we add the answer that we just get plus our numerator. So 35 plus 2, call yourself the bigger number and put up the smaller number. So 35, 36, 37. So 35 plus 2 is 37. For those who don't know how to do it like that, this is a simple way to do it. You can set it out using your 100, 10s, and 1s. All right, look at this now. So I'm going to put it at the top so you can see it. So you can do it like this, where you put 35 plus 2. And as I told you earlier, the 2 is supposed to be, see here, right here, so is the tens, and right here, so it's going to be the tens, over here is going to be the ones, right? So it is the same thing that you learn like this, 100 tens and ones. It is the same thing. It is the same thing that we are doing, okay? So now look carefully, look carefully. I want you to look carefully, and I hope you are looking. I hope you are looking. All right. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And 3 plus nothing, you still have 3. So you still end up with 37. So now we can say that 7 and 2 over 5 is equal to 37 over 5. So you see that 37 over 5 is now the improper fraction that we get. All right, very good. You're doing fantastic. And Kara said 37. I see Kara. I see Riri. I see you all. That's so nice. Simple Thing said, that's so nice, Sylvia. And Mystic Sensation say, hello, Simple. And right here we have Devon. And Dijonae is going to say, thank you for that lovely super chat.
Thank you for that lovely super chat, grandfather.
All right, we're happy to have you. Thank you so very much for that lovely super chat. We pray that I pray that God may bless you so that you will always have, and your storage will never go dry. All right. So we are here and we are changing from a mixed number to an improper fraction. That is what we're doing here. And Devon Stewart said, you're welcome. We're happy to have all the 10 million persons who are here tonight with us. We're happy to have you. Feel free to participate. Feel free to ask a question. And Simple Thing said, blessing Devon. And we're going to take the next one. So we have 8 and 1 over 4. And 8 and 1 over 4 is what we call a mixed fraction or a mixed number. We are changing it to an improper fraction. We are changing it to an improper fraction. How are we going to do that? How are we going to do that? The first thing we have to do is that we are going to multiply our whole number by our denominator. So 8 multiplied by 4. And if you don't know your 8 times, you must know your 4 times. Because either way you take it, you will get the same 32. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. So now you are going to add 32 to your numerator, which is 1. And 32 plus 1 gives you 33. So 33 is now going to be your numerator, and 4 will remain the denominator. So 8 and 1 over 4, or 8 and a quarter, is equal to 33 over 4. And 33 over 4 is now the improper fraction. Why is it called an improper fraction? It is called an improper fraction because the top number, which is your numerator, is bigger than your denominator, which is 4. And we have some more persons coming in the house. We're happy to have you. We're happy to have you.
Amanda and Family Kitchen. And she said, hello, host, thumbs up done.
Thank you for that lovely thumbs up. And she also say,
hello, hello, everyone in the chat.
So she's saying, Abina and Family Kitchen is saying hello to everyone in the chat. She's also sending us some love. Thank you so very much for that love, for the love that you are sending. And Riri say, hey, Devon. And also Riri World say, hello, Abina and Family Kitchen. So she's greeting you all. Kira is saying, hello, beautiful Abina. So I'm happy you are greeting right there. Simple Thing said, welcome, Abina. Thank you so very much for coming. And Abina say, hi, Riri, Henry, greetings. So we're happy to have you all. For the persons who are just coming in, we are converting from a mixed number to an improper fraction. That is what we're doing here. We're going to take another one. We're going to take another one. Feel free to ask a question if you have any. Feel free. So we're going to take another one. So we have 9 and 3 over 5. So we have 9 and 3 over 5. Who is going to get that one? Who is going to get that one? 9 and 3 over 5. So Riri said, so Kara said 43 over 5. Riri said 48 over 5. Then Mystic Sensation said 48 over 5. All right, I don't know the answer. We're going to do it together to see if we get something like that. All right, first I have to know my 5 times or my 9 times. I may not know my 9 times, so I know my 5 times. And 5 9 is 45. 5 9 is 45. So 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. All right, so that 45 is now add to 3. So 45 plus 3. Let's see what we get. Call yourself the bigger number. 45, 46, 47, 48. I see that I have some mathematician inside here. So 45 plus 3 is 48. So we have 48 over 5. And the improper fraction is now 48 over 5. And let me see. So you see what happened? So Kara, I think you didn't have that one correct. You were rushing. So you see, nice try, nice try. So you see, Riri, you got that one first. Kara said it was a mistake. I know it was a mistake, Kara. So you're Jamaica girl. Mia, she's here. She said, I am here. And she said, welcome. And Riri said, welcome, Mia. And Abina is still sending us love. And Jamaican girl Mia said, "Uno make me love math." We do? Oh, that's so sweet. All right, so we're gonna take a next one. We're gonna take a next one. So for the persons who are just coming in, welcome to our math hour at Dijonae Jaynae Gordon
Educational channel.
All right, so we're happy to have you. We are happy to have you. So mega love shout out to all the persons who are here. And we are going to take another one. So now we're going to say 6 and 2 over 7. 6 and 2 over 7. So you have to know your 6 times or your 7 times. 6 and 2 over 7. 6 is the whole number and 2 over 7 is the proper fraction. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. So 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. So that 42 that you get, you are going to add it to your numerator, which is 2. So 2 plus 42 is going to give you 44. So now your answer should be 44 over 7. Person may be asking, why 7? Why over 7? So in this case, we always keep our denominator. You're always going to keep your denominator. Do not change it. Do not change it. And remember that we are converting from a mixed number to an improper fraction. And also you can convert from an improper fraction to a mixed number. And that is for our next lesson. All right, let's take 3 more and then we are going to go. If you have any question, and Riri was the first person to get that one correct. Riri was the first person to get that one correct. So we are doing our math hour and we're happy to have you all. All right, let me see who is gonna get this one now. This one is like for a bigger person. Who knows how to multiply. 10 and 3 over 7. Let's see who's gonna get that one. Let me see who's gonna get that one. And Andina, say hi. Welcome, Andina. Welcome to Maths Hour at Dijonae Jaynae Gordon Educational Channel. So I see where Real said 73 over 7, and Devon said 73 over 7. Mystic and Kira also said 73 over 7. So they could not be wrong. They have to be correct. So let's see if the answers that you are all sending in, if they are correct. All right, let's do it together. So first, you have to multiply your whole number by your denominator. So 10 multiplied by 7 and 7 multiplied by, you can do it like this. If you don't know how to do it like that, you can set it out as usual. And 7 multiplied by 0 is 0. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. So you get 70. All right, so that's 70 that you get now. You are going to add it to 3. So 70 plus 3, you get 73. So now your answer is going to be 73 over 7. And you, oh my God, you are all brilliant. You are doing fantastic. Yeah, you got it right. Yay, you did it. Yay, great job. You did it. You are doing fantastic. And Abina said, oh, you are doing a great job. I'm learning. Thank you so very much, Abina, and I'm happy you are. I am happy you are. All right. So let me see. Your Jamaican girl, Mia, said, wow, I'm finally understanding fraction. Oh, that's so sweet of you. I'm happy you are. I am happy you are. So let's do another one. Let's do another one. All right. So now we have 12 and 1 over 8. Oh my God, you must be saying, how? This is getting so hard. So 12 multiplied by 8. 12 multiplied by 8. Let's see who's going to get this one. 12 multiplied by 8. Who's going to get that one? I see where Riri said 97 over 8. Mystic said 97 over 8. I see I have some quick fingers here, you know. So first we have to know what is 12 multiplied by 8 or 8 multiplied by 12. And 8 multiplied by 12 is 96. So 96 plus 1, 96 plus 1 gives you 97. 96 plus 1 gives you 97. So now 97 over 8 is going to be your improper fraction. So 97 over 8. So I see Riri did it, Mystic did it, and Devon did it. And you are doing fantastic. Hooray! You are doing great. Yes, you are doing great. So let's see who is going to get this one. For the persons who are just coming in, welcome to our math hour at Dijonae Jaynae Gordon
Educational channel.
We are happy to have you. Feel free to send us a message. Remember, if we are doing good, if you think what we're doing is something good, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Feel free to give us a thumbs up. All right. So let's see our next answer. I bet you don't get this one right. 18 and 1 over 4. Oh my God. This teacher is wicked. 18 and a quarter. Who is going to get that one right? 18 and a quarter. $18 and a quarter. Who is gonna get that one right? Who is gonna get that one right? 18 and a quarter. Who is gonna get that one right? All right, I don't see any answer coming in as yet. I don't see any answer coming in. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? All right, let me see. Let me work this one for you. I don't see any answers coming in. Let me see. So how do we work this one? This one may look a bit hard. So what we do in this case, you can simply set it out. Look at me now. You write 18 and multiply by 4. I'm teaching you how to do it a very simple way. So now 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. 32 is a 2-digit number. 32 is a 2-digit number. So what you are going to do is that you're going to put down the digit that is in the ones place. So I'm going to put it down. So the digit that is in the 10th place, which is 3, you are going to carry it over to the 10th place. So now we are finished with that 32. Now you are going to multiply 4 by 1 and not 4 by 3. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and then you are going to add 3 to it. So 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So you get 72. So 4 multiplied by 18 is 72. So now you are going to add 1 to it. So now you are going to add 1, and remember 1 is a 1-digit number, so you put it in the ones place. So 7 is going to be by itself. So look now, 2 plus 1 is 3. And 7 plus nothing give you 7. So your answer is going to be 73 over 4. And I see where Riri were sending that first. Then we have Mystic. Then we have Devon. You guys are doing fantastic. You guys are doing fantastic. You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. We're just happy to have you here. All right. So let's see. Let's take a next one. Let's take another one. Let's take another one. For the persons who are coming in, we're happy to have you. Welcome to Math Hour. So we have, this one is a simple one. So we have 20 and 7 over 8, a very easy one. Who get that one? So you can do that one the same way that I just showed you. So set it out, 20 multiplied by 8. So 8 multiplied by 0 is 0. Any number you multiply by 0, you get 0. So 8 multiplied by 0, you get 0. 8 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. So your answer right there is 160. So now you're going to add 7 to it. So your answer is going to be 7 plus 0 is 7, 6, 1. 167. So your answer is going to be 167 over 8. 167 over 8. And let me see, I see Mystic here. Mystic is here first. And then I see Devon, then I see Riri. You guys are doing fantastic. You are smart. You are smart. Of course you are. You are doing fantastic. You are doing fantastic. All right. Let's take 2 more. So look at this one now. 45 and 9 over 11. Oh, this teacher is evil. 45 and 9 over 11. I know that the students would say that, Miss, that one is hard. Let's see if you are getting the concept that I'm trying to deliver right here. If you are getting the concept, then it should not be hard. Just apply whatever you have learned. It is the same. It is the same. It is the same. It is the same. Come now. Who's going to be first? All right. So for the persons who are just coming in, they're waiting. Yes, we're happy to have you. Thank you for making it Dijonae Jaynae Gordon's
educational channel.
Yes, we're happy to have you. So I see where Riri said 504 over 11. Let's see if that's the correct answer. So let's set it out the long way. 45 over 11. No, sorry, 45 multiplied by 11. So let's do it like this. 11 multiplied by 5. 11 multiplied by 5 is 55. So we're going to put down the 5 that is in the 1's place and carry the 5 that is in the 10's place. So now we are going to multiply 11 by 4. So 11 multiplied by 4 is 48. So 48 plus 5, 48, 45. 48 plus 5. So 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. And that should be your answer, 53. So right there, you get 535. So now you're going to add 9 to it. So you're going to add 9 to it. So 5 plus 9, call yourself 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is a 2-digit number. 4 is in the ones place. Put down 4. Carry the 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And 5 plus nothing, you have 5. So that's 500 and I get 544 right here. Let me see. Let me see. I did something wrong right here. So let me see that 11 multiplied by 5 is 55. And I see my students saying, Miss, you need to check your answer. I did not get that. So you see, my students are working and they know their timetable. I tell you that teacher don't know her timetable, you know. So I see where Mystic is saying, teacher, you need to check over your answer. It's not correct. All right, so let's check it with me. 11 multiplied by 5. 11 multiplied by 5 is 55. All right, so I'm putting down this 5. Oh, you know what? You know what teacher did wrong? All right. So 11 multiplied by 5 is 55. Carry that 5, put down that 1. So 11 multiplied by 4 is 44 plus 5. 44 plus 5 is going to be 49, right? That's going to be 49. Am I going good so far, students? Hey, Mystic, I see you're the bright one right here. I'm wondering if teacher is doing good so far. So I get 49. So now I'm going to add the 9 to it. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Put down the 4, carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Put down the 0, carry the 1. 5 and 1 is 4 and 1 is 5. All right. So you see, I see where my students are doing good. You see that? Mystic said, teacher, that wrong coming over me, I do. Yeah. And Mystic said, teacher, you're correct now. Woo! I have bright students here. Woo! So you see, teacher can't make mistake in a class. The bright students, them go and call you. They're going to say, teacher, you are wrong. And you have to prove to them why you say, you're right. I'm a student, just tell me I'm wrong. Which I was wrong indeed. I was wrong. And I'm happy for that. So you see, the correct answer now that we get is 504 over 11. And let me see, we have Riri World, Mystic, and Devon with the correct answer. And I'm happy to have you all. Yay! My students are doing fantastic. So this is the last one for the evening. This is the last one for the evening. And the students for the evening, let me see. They're right here. So for the persons who are just coming in, mega love shout out to all of you. To all the persons who are coming in, mega love shout out to you. You are doing fantastic. I see I'm getting some clap from Abina and Devon. And I'm happy to have you here, students. You are doing fantastic. You are doing fantastic. So let's see now. We have 50 and 3 over 5. And we have 50 and 3 over 5. That's the one we have working with now. And that's the last one for the evening. That's the last one for the evening. Sit down. Sit down. I'm coming. All right. So I see where Mystic was the first one. You see, this is my math boy, you know. You see what's going on, I'm All right, let's work it together. We're going to do it the long way, you see? So we're going to set it out. So 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. So there we get 250 plus 3. So we have 253. So 253 over 5 is our answer. So 253 over 5 is our answer. And we are happy to have all of you here tonight. We're happy to have all of you here tonight. And mega love shout out to all those persons that are here. What we were doing just now is that we were actually calculating. We were calculating how to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction. That is what we were actually doing just now. We're happy to have all of you that are here with us. We're happy to have all of you. And we hope that you have learned something. We hope that you have learned something. And let me see for the persons who are here. We're just so happy to have you. We are just so happy to have you all. And here we have Dijonae Jaynae Gordon.
And Christina channel.
This is your girl, Dijonae Gordon. And hi, I'm Mommy Deborah K. Let me see. Mystic said, thanks. This is a great session. Read what they have in the comment section, Dijonae.
And she said that thanks. This is a great session.
So what happened is that if you enjoyed that session, remind somebody that they need to come over here to be a part of our math hour. Yes, we are happy to have all of you, and we are happy that you learned something. Okay, if you are not a part of Dijonae Jaynae Gordon's educational channel, feel free to join by just
liking, sharing, and subscribe.
remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload a video or whenever we are going live. For all the persons who have participated in our math hour, we're so happy you were able to make it, and we're getting some love from Andino. And Andina, thank you so very much for those love that you're sending.
Thank you.
I see Abina saying, thank you so much. Thank you too for making it Dijonae Jaynae Gordon's educational channel. So to all the persons who came, we're happy to have you. Remember that if you like what we did just now, tell a friend to tell a friend now.
Yeah.
Give us a like now.
Yeah.
Thumbs up now.
Yeah.
Yes. And we are happy to tell you that Dijonae is now a monetized channel. Yes.
Thank you.
And she could not do it without you all. And we're happy to have you all. So we're giving back. Yeah, we're giving back. So we are giving back. Yes. So this is a part of one of our giveaway. Yes. We're giving back some educational lessons. So feel free to join. So if you want to know when is it that we're going to go live, you can check our community tab. Yes. So I'm going to be posting it there. You can check, and remember, just turn on your notification bell.
Yeah.
And there are also some lovely channels that are here. Feel free to join. Tariq said it was a great lesson. Thank you so very much, Tariq. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much.
And all the channels there, feel free to join them. They're in the chat. So do you have any question for us before we go? Do you have any question? Any question? So remember now to join us for our next maths hour. Yes.
And remember to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe to Dijonae Jaynae Gordon Educational Channel. And hope to see the second part of our mathematics hour.
Yeah. So until next time, we love you all. Thank you so very much for coming. God bless you.
God bless
God
you.
bless you all. Remember to do good and to always put God first
Don't give your parents trouble.
and to be good.
Yes.
Have a blessed one.
Bye.
Love you all.
Love
See you
you.
next time.
See you next